Hello guys, let me introduce to you Alpi. I think she's the sweetest alpaca ever. Okay, let's start. AHC Hyaluronic Toner. Just apply a little bit warm just between hands. My hands is clean just because. One, two. This any base which you have, you can use just. I'm usually apply under the eye, forehead, and a little bit here because I basically have only this one. Which is orange. Plus, I will use some our clown. Yes, it also can be as a base for makeup. So first, of course, I will start from lighter color, which is white, and just apply where we want to have the lightest spot later. Just small touches. And of course, we will blend it out by our finger. So this will make the cream, my texture pigment mix it well together. Because I want this area really bright. Here. Okay, clean from white and apply here to all eyelid. Between here, just leave some empty space. And go under too. And I'm usually do like 5 millimeters down. I can blend it lower. In brush, start a little bit with the finger, or maybe even just finger more than enough. You can see, yeah? And again, clean your finger, not brush. And tap, 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 tap. And it's perfectly mixed. And just here, the same tapping as your finger. And on my finger with my nails don't fit there. Just blend here. And right now, okay, now we'll do fixing this on our face. Round clean brush, or which I usually use for white pigment or any light pigment. Pick up our white pigment and take it back. You can see I go here too. We'll make it light. Yes, here, light, and then it out. Take this one. Don't dip too much your brush and go with the angle, and this way your brush will do all blending for you. You see? See all the products mostly on top. And go. We do round shape on your crease. Here, tap, 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 tap. And it will be blend right away. Look down for make your crease a little bit more flat, and this will easier to apply the pigment and blend it together with the white. Clean your brush and blend it out here. Just general glitter. You can even find this in a nail store, and we go with a little bit black here and in top, but not too much. Today makeup should be more glam. Hopefully, and just gently apply here, and then here. Just look like a little bit eyeliner here, and the same with another eye. And choose and change to our clean brush, and then here. Good. And just apply in this our clean area. This will be like a base for our golden parts, plus like look for this too. And here go with line. Here. And just stop here. Go for our golden pigment. Gold glitter. And just right here. This will be glued by this. But you need to apply this very quickly until the bottom pigment will not dry yet. This homemade glow shine, whatever it is. Or you can use again hair gel. And here we are. So far, it's really my favorite Maybelline eyeliner. Just for you to know how much I like it, I already have another new one. So, yeah, that's how much I like it. Plus, I use this every day. I use this for smoky eyes. Definitely, this will be finished sooner or later, and this can be very useful. I'm starting from here, just draw the black, and here you need to decide which shape of line do you want. I'm actually gonna go here, so a little dot made here, and go up from here to this dot, and then so my choice today is dramatic big liner accent. And also I want to add some shiny parts here in the middle. Just some lines. And you will blend this with glitter to black. Yeah. How it change? It's changing everything. By the way, life hack: if your pigment have shimmer inside, it's easier to blend. My pigment is a little bit more complicated. I found it, not in time, but I found it. But we still can apply more on top of it. So brush, tap here, just somewhere here and there. Here the same. I'm going to dry clean the brush and add our extra shine. I like this part because this gives already smaller and bigger parts will give more glow shine on the stage. For gold yellow pigment, my favorite actually, and add some here and here. This will make our white not that white. We'll add some warm coloring from the inside and top it inside. And the same is here. This is our makeup. will use our eyelash glue to make diadem here. So yeah, set up the first. I can eat, I can drink coffee, I can do whatever, and this will still stay on my face. It's not commercial, it's just my personal recommendation. If you work as an artist, I recommend this lipstick. You will not worry about like if someone touch your lips or you accidentally when you movement, it will stay on the face, not in the custom. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Follow me for more. Thank you for watching the video. Comment below which one you want more and maybe which color you want me to use more. And talk if you need some advice with cosmetic, or actually let's go and buy some new pigments this time. Bye!